Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how you can automatically upload your backup files to Google Drive using PowerShell. We will start from scratch, creating a project in Google Cloud Console, enable the Drive API, setting up both credentials, generating tokens, and finally running a PowerShell script that will upload your files to Google Drive. By the end of this video, you will have a fully working automation that can save you a lot of manual efforts. So let's get started. Just go to the Google Console login page, go, go to google.com, right here Google Cloud Console sign in, click on this link. So I have already signed in, so you can sign up with your Gmail ID and you will land on this page. Just click on this button. I have created many projects. You can create a new project. Just need to write the project name and then click create. I will show you. So just write here the project name and then click create. I have already created many projects. So I have just created now this project to show you the functionality or the features. So I just click on the my project 372. You can write here any name, and then the next step is go to the API and services, enable API and services tab, search here Google Drive API and click on this. You will see button here enable. I have already enabled it for you. So you will see here button for enable this API. Now this API has been already enabled. So the next step is we will go to the auth consent screen. You will see here some tabs. First we need to go the audience tab. Just need to add here some test users. I have already added a test user. uh, for testing purpose you can add your test user here. Just write the email address and then click on save. The next step is go to the client screen. Here you can create the client host 2.0 client IDs. Just click on this button, select application, web application, write here application name and just click on the create button. You will see here auth client created. The client ID can always be accessed from the client tab under the Google Auth platform. In this screen you are seeing client ID, which is this one. Simply just click on the JSON file, download JSON file. You will download a notepad file where is information showing. Let me show you the client ID. This is the client ID. This is the project ID, and one more important thing is client secret code. So you need to save this file carefully. We need to use in our next steps. I just minimize this file, click OK, and then go to the access button, data access tab. Scopes. Basically in this screen you are add some scopes which will be used in our application. So I have write some notes for you guys. So I will show you the note screen where I need to copy one link. I will share you also with these notes with all of you. So first we need to add here this scope link. click on add or remove scopes, just paste here. Basically there are many scopes. You can add your scope manually also, add to the table. Just click on the add to the table, the following add because they are invalid. There is some problem maybe with spaces. I have copied the wrong link. Add to the table, and this is added in the table, and click on update. The scope has been added and click on save. So there these are some steps we need to configure in the Google Cloud Console. Now we need to go our next steps. These are some notes which I have created for you. So step 1 is Google Cloud project, create wizard Google Cloud. These are steps we already performed. We have created the auth credentials. We have set auth consent screen. We have already added our test user. So the next step is Oracle wallet setup. So Google APIs required SSL with trusted certificates. Oracle must use a wallet with Google's root plus intermediate certificates. We need to click here on these two links to download the certificates which Oracle needs. Just click on these two links. I will share you these notes for with you. So save the certificates on the on your any folder. So basically there is some commands which you need to run on CMD Windows. Set wallet directory. So I have already created my wallets. I will show you. I have created my wallet in Oracle wallets. I have I have downloaded these certificates in this folder, and then I have created a wallet folder. In this folder I have import all these certificates with these commands. You will simply log in here with your wallet directory. Just you need to run these commands and then copy this script to the sql.aura file. In you need to set up the path first. After this you need to test this procedure with this script. After this you need to copy this link, and you will write here your client ID from the JSON file. This is your client ID, and then you need to run this on browser. You will get your authorized code, and you need to log in as a test user which you have in which you have added in your Google Console. Just click on the continue. You will get the authorized code. Just copy the authorized code and write here, and write here your client ID, client secret code. You need to run this script on PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. So I will show you where is PowerShell. You need to write here search PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. Just click on this. You will run this command in the PowerShell. Save the refresh token. It will return you a refresh token. So you will save the refresh token which PowerShell will provide you. After this, this is the PowerShell script you need to write here in PowerShell, or you can make your PowerShell script file Just you can search on the Google, or you can create the PowerShell file. So first you need to add your client ID here, your client secret, your refresh token, and your Google Drive folder ID. Google Drive folder ID means where you want to upload the Google Drive backups. Let me show you. I have a Google Drive ID DB dot backups which I have added in my Google Cloud Console. So just click on just sign in with this account. Go to the my drive. I have a folder here. Just click on the folder. This is the folder ID. You just copy here, and you just copy this link and you will add here. After this PowerShell script, you need to set up a batch file. This is the script of batch file from step 5. You will copy the script from echo off to exit. This is a batch file script. So basically in this file I have write a caption. This is a run export command. You will change your path as per your location. cmd compressed dump file. This command will compress your backup file. I have added a portion to delete the original dump file after compress. So after this script will upload your backup file to Google Drive. So this is your PowerShell script which I have mentioned on top. This is your PowerShell script file. You need to copy from here. Yes, you need to copy and create the PowerShell file which is used is here, upload to drive. You need to write the PowerShell script file upload dash to dash drive dot ps. The file path you need to set here. Now the important consideration in this uh, tutorial, we need to configure the Oracle wallet, refresh token, lifetime, access token, expiry every 1 hour, script auto renew via refresh token. Testing mode, only test user can authorize the upload until app is published. So Google Drive storage free tier. So the final result is Oracle database backup is automatically exported daily. You can set the schedule file, Windows schedule, window task scheduler. Backup is compressed into the zip file. Oracle Wallet secure the Google API communication. Access token are auto-renewed. Backup is uploaded to Google Drive. Entire flow is automated, reusable, and professional. So now I can show you. I have set up this uh, on my server. So I have just clicked the open. So I have my backup batch file here. Let me show you. This is the PowerShell script file which I have told you in script. So this is my batch file. So let me show you. Just click on the run as administrator. This will generate your Oracle dump file. So you can see after this here will be show you the status of Google Drive API. Now he's compressing the file. You can see here the new file and the also log showing here. Now we can see our Google Drive. This is the latest file. This is the latest file which is uploaded now from our script. Yes, this is the latest file. So you can click here to download. The backup file is downloading now. Let me show you. So this is our actual backup file. So hope you will like this video. So please like, comment and share, and click on bell icon to get my latest videos. Inshallah, we'll see you in